Create in me a clean heart, oh Lord, and renew thy spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, O Lord, and take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and renew thy spirit within me.
Reverend Gospel Person Bokro Bomi Nira Ketongwe Abni Uno Chiniki Kano Kam